Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create the highest converting product photos possible for your e-commerce store. Let's jump right into it. This is super important, and this is a direct way to increase your conversion rate by using on-model pictures, or otherwise known as model mockups. And I talk about this all the time. I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. And on-model product photos, they're incredibly important for e-commerce. The bottom line is they have a significantly higher conversion rate when you compare to a product, let's say a shirt on a hanger, or a shirt on a white background, or a product on just a normal white background or laid flat, right? We're able to show these products, t-shirts, really any product, any apparel piece that you have, on models using AI. And a very popular strategy right now is to use Botika to create high converting custom model mockups using your exact fashions, your exact designs, and your exact styles. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. If you want to implement this strategy, first of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the exact one that I use, and the app needs to be super simple to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some photography expert or an AI expert in order to use this app. And really the biggest reason why you want to use this app is conversion rate increases and cost decreases. Traditional photo shoots, they're extremely expensive. They're very slow. They're going to only give you, a very limited selection of photos. We need to be able to move fast as e-commerce entrepreneurs. And this app is going to allow you to do just that. And again, that's why I highly recommend Botika. This is what I use. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Make sure you check out the link. Go right into the Shopify App Store. You'll be able to add this into your store. I'm going to show you this link right over here. Again, you see it right below this video. Botika AI Models Pro Photos. You see a great 4.4 review score out of 5 on over 35 reviews right now. And this is all about creating these stunning fashion photos with AI. And I'm going to show you how it works. You're going to simply upload your product photo, right? Let's say in this case, it's a purple jumpsuit. And Botika is going to use that and give you access to these stunning AI models that are going to literally be wearing your exact clothing. Not things that look like it, not things that resemble it. Your exact styles, your exact clothing, your exact designs, your exact products. You'll be able to have different backgrounds. You'll be able to have those lifestyle photos that work really well. You're going to be able to transform your kind of boring headless photos, right? They have some mock-ups where they cut off the head, right? Now you're going to be able to turn that into ultra chic fashion shots with this app. It's incredibly powerful. Again, I'm going to show you over the shoulder. You could upgrade your homemade photos into stylish product images as well. So if you have a product right inside your house, you could literally take a photo. You see this one example, turning it from a homemade photo into something that looks like it was out of a magazine, right? That's why Botika is so beloved by the people using it. That's why I use it pretty much every day to create these incredible model mock-ups here using AI. And you could upgrade your entire store catalog in just a few clicks. Go from boring flat designs or boring t-shirts on a hanger to having these AI fashion models wearing your product in the most incredibly photorealistic styles that you'll ever see. It's incredibly powerful, and really there's nothing else like it on there. We're talking about the idea here where this is a native Shopify app. And it can work for other platforms as well. Of course, we're talking about Shopify mostly with my audience here. Not going to need to do a photo shoot. You're not going to have, weird type of, estimations or kind of approximations to your product. It's going to be your exact product, right? It's going to be incredibly powerful there to give you your product and to have these incredibly powerful photos generated. And all you need to do is press the install button, right? You're going to be able to press the install button. We'll get this into our Shopify store. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you this setup right over here as we go through the steps and install this app. And I'm going to show you this on a new store, so you'll see exactly how it's going to look when you sign up first as well. And we'll go through our little onboarding here. And any model mockup that you have, you're going to be able to take to the next level, right? We have the idea here that this is an original photo, and this is a Botika photo. Incredibly powerful. We're literally transforming the way that you're going to show your products in your store, and you'll be able to have so many different models wearing it as well. As you see, same product, lots of different models, Looks like they're from totally different photo shoots and times and backgrounds and all these different great powerful styles here, all going to be into your store. So I'm going to go ahead and select the X Sky Wob shirt here. You see it's automatically selecting or showing all of my products. I'm going ahead and select that one. Now we're going to come over here and select our models. You see that we have different model mock-ups here that we can choose, right? We have Emma, we have Erica, Ava, etc., etc. And as we look through here, we could also favorite them so we can come back to them later on. I'll go ahead and use Erica over here. We'll click next step over here. Now we're going to show the background. And you can keep the original background, or you can select from some of these different backgrounds out here. We have some really cool options over here. You have themed ones, you have outdoor ones, you have color ones, right? Lots of different background options that are over here, and really can just pick anything that kind of looks good with your product or looks good with your brand. I'm going to go ahead with this stucco wall. Now we're going to click next step, and you see it's kind of confirming everything over here, talking about that here is our product that we've selected from our store. Here's the product image. We're going to transform it with AI using Botika. We have right over here the model that we're going to be selecting and the new background. All we need to do, we're going to press generate. This is going to create this product right inside the app. And this is incredibly powerful. There's nothing else that we need to do. It takes about 15 minutes. You see the countdown right over here. And this is going to now show this exact image, this exact product, right? This literal product that is in our store going to be transformed with AI. And just like that, we have our images created. I did another one with another AI model using the same shirt. And you can see exactly how this is going to work, right? You see our new AI generated images here. Perfect, right? We're not doing any extra photo shoots. We're not hiring any models. We're not going to any new locations. AI driven, you see literally as I hover over, here's that original image, right? Original image, Skywob t-shirt transformed into this model in that Santorini background. And this is the whole idea with Botika. You could do this over and over and over again. Lots of different models, lots of different backgrounds, all of these new photos looking really, really super high quality without ever needing to hire another model or doing another photo shoot. And if you run into any issues at all, specifically if you run in, to the hands and feet AI issue, Botika is the only tool out there that's going to address any of these issues heads on. They're going to give you complimentary fixes in here to make sure that you generate that perfect image for your store. No other app is going to do that for you. They make sure that you get a flawless photo. And there's no better way to do mockups than these AI model mockups through Botika. Really, as you can see, the quality is super, super, super high level. Great for increasing your conversion rate and really just generating a lot more attention on your product pages with these captivating AI models and backgrounds. So again, highly recommended. This is definitely going to boost your sales. Make sure you click the link directly below this video. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.